everyone! My name is Miss Madgerua, but you can call me Maddie. And welcome to True Corset's Corset School. Today, I'm going to show you a few great ways to wear your corset while you're waist training. The first way I'd like to show is my personal favorite way to wear a corset while waist training, which is stealthing. We've talked about stealthing before, but here it is in action. I use my personal favorite corset from True Corset, the Isabella, and I can wear almost anything I want right over top. This is my favorite kind of outfit to wear this way. It emphasizes the size of my waist while hiding both the top and bottom edges of my corset. Next, you could wear your corset as a corset belt. My top choice for this is the Minnie corset. This is a very cute and flirty option for showing off your corset. I love this with a full petticoat. You can also wear your corset over your clothing with something a little bit more snug, like I have here. This way feels very femme fatale to me, and is another great way to show off a beautifully made corset. You also don't have to worry about hiding your corset this way, as you've made it part of your outfit. Thank you so much for watching! Make sure to like this video and hit subscribe, and be sure to ring that notification bell to be notified of all our new uploads. I'll see you next time on True Corset's Corset School. Bye!